कर्मपरायणाय नमः. Karmaparayanaaya namaha. One who is ever engaged in karma, but that karma has to be interpreted properly. Not like Tamilian saying karma, karma. Not in that way. So, because based upon the earlier words, Utsaha Vardaka, Karuna Sagara, all those words should indicate what karma parayana should mean. He was ever engaged in, last class I explained it, the yoga karma kaushalam, the skill in action. What is the skill? Because can you remain without action? Without performing action, can you remain? If you can remain, that's the best. So you yourself, you cannot remain. Right? Swamiji, you have not thought about me. I can remain without power. I will not go to work. You may not go to work. That day, it is an unfortunate, sorrowful day for the wife. Because you will be disturbing her in the kitchen. What are you doing? What are you doing? She says, why don't you go to office? Okay, Swamiji, I will not go in the kitchen also. I'll just sit down. You're sitting, are you not feeling? Are you not thinking? Oh, Swamiji, that is very easy to do. I'll stop that also. Very easy. I'll sleep off. If you're sleeping off, okay, you're not physically acting. You're not mentally or intellectually acting. But are you not breathing? Snoring? You may not know it, but the breathing. I'll stop that also, Swamiji. If you stop that also, you will make everybody else very active. Call the priest, call India. So if you stop acting, you cease to be. Action is the sign of life. So we have to act. So the skill in action is to work in such a way that my mind and intellect becomes more and more pure, more and more quiet, alert, vigilant. It's called, the iron rod, the burning, or any, the gold to shine. That's a better example. How much of heating and beating it goes. So whenever the heating and beating is happening to your BMI, what you should understand? That it is a golden opportunity. Like gold going through, golden opportunity. Isn't it? So, skill in action, we saw last class elaborately that my action is skillful when I know that when I am giving my talents outside, I am exhausting my existing selfishness. It's called as vasanas, the negative tendencies. To exhaust the negative tendencies without accumulating new negative tendencies is called skill in action. That we saw last time. Now, if I work like that, in that spirit, that's called yajna spirit. When I do that, I get to realize, today I am as this, I am BMI. Then I awake to my true nature, which is the pure consciousness, the sakshi, the witness, which is akarta. Akarta means? Karta, doer. Karta means doer. Akarta, non-doer. So I realize I do nothing. This is what Gurudev knew. He realized he is the non-doer. Therefore, he used his BMI as BMW. Till the last moment, he used his car until it became Bekar. Because he knew that I am not doing. And doctors said, Swamiji, it's not good because heart condition is such you should not speak more than 1 hour. Very seriously, all the doctors are saying you should not speak more than 1 hour. So someone said, I don't even speak 1 hour. Isn't it? Because this is inert, insentient. How can it speak? All the engine. So these are inert and insentient. What can they do? One who is awakened to that, he alone knows how to use his BMI for the blessings of the society. So, karma parayana means the great beings, they use their BMI to bless the generations will be blessed. He wants everyone to go there. What story? Cave story. Always remember the cave story. So when I know I am akarta, so I am not a doer. But now I think I am karta. I think I am a doer. The fact is, the reality is, the real thing is, I am non-doer. I am non-doer, but I think I am doer. Do you think yourself as a doer or non-doer? Huh? See, when I am speaking, I should think I am not a speaker. While speaking, and you, yes, Swamiji, I always felt I am not a listener. No, while listening. Because very easy. Yes, Swamiji, how did you know that I am not a listener? While perceiving, I am not the perceiver. Because the senses are perceiving. Our problem is we identify with the senses and say, I am perceiving. And we stretch it to anything. Swamiji, I am doing 70. 70 miles I am doing. Who is doing 70? What are you doing? Simply sitting. That too you put on cruise also. Cruise control. And you say, I am doing 70. You can't even do 7. You're saying 70? But you say, oh, no, Swamiji, what I meant is, my car is doing 70. But when you're saying, I am doing 70, and you feel that the car is doing 70, you are a realized driver. We do that, isn't it? The moment the cough comes, that's why immediately our leg goes onto the brake. Moment we see cop, why should our leg go on the brake? We always know that I will not be doing the right thing. This boy yesterday, the Friday Bhiksha, small boy, his name is Vivek. I was telling him what Vivek means. So Vivek means insight. Viveka. We say Viveka. Viveka means insight. And then I had added in the summer camp, Viveka, I will do what is right. Viveka, insight, I will do what is right. That's how the summer camp children, your children, like parrots, they will repeat. Viveka, insight, I will do what is right. And this boy also, he's 5-year-old. And he was saying, Viveka, insight, I will do things right. He changed himself. I will do things right. Why I am saying it? When the moment I see the cop, my leg automatically goes on the brake. Why? I will not do anything right. Why? No Viveka. So Viveka means insight. I will do what is right. That boy, I will do things right. Every time he says, I will do things right, he was saying. So, only one person I remember. I don't want to tell the name and all. I was sitting because I never drive. So I was sitting on the right, and the cop car was going. And I saw the cop. He also saw the cop. His leg was going the same way. He didn't remove the leg to go on the brake. Cop also was seeing, he also saw the cop. Both sawing each other. And the cop was looking at me also. I also looked at him. See that? So at least I had a Viveka driver. So since we don't use our Viveka, we think that I am doing. Vivekananda means who had the Viveka that the doing is done by the instruments of action, not by I. No doubt in my presence. If I am not present, the car will not go. But I need to be there. But that doesn't mean I am doing 70. I need to be there for the body, the sense organs to perceive and perform, for the mind to feel, for the intellect to think. That should be there. But that doesn't mean I am doing. So one who realizes I am non-doer, he alone engages his instruments of action in the right spirit. So I know I am akarta. In all of us are akarta. Only thing is we don't know. Now from karta to akarta to jump, it is like jumping across the Grand Canyon. How big is the Grand Canyon? How wide? Think. One child was saying in the Hanuman can jump over the 7 seas. His grandmother was telling his grandson, Hanuman, in Tamil, Patti was saying, Hanuman kadale gudichar. Means he jumped across the ocean. Grandson said, Patti, I can also do it. Patti was shocked. How can you do it? Oh, I attend Chinmaya mission. I can also jump. Not Hanuman jumped 1. I can do 7 seas. 7 seas I can jump. Patti said, this is too much. Show me. He went into the kitchen, brought 7 peanuts. In Tamil it's called kadalai. Kadalai, he jumped. It's a pun on the word kadalai also. Kadala means peanuts. Kadala also means the ocean, the sea. 7 kadalai, 7 peanuts he kept and said, Patti, watch, I'm jumping over 7 kadalai. Kadalai gudiche. And Patti said, I don't know, your son was not as smart, your dad was not as smart as you. Right? So we to jump across from karta to akarta, it is Herculean task. But therefore the rishis, they give us a in-between step. Take one hop on thing and then jump. Like you, when you go to India, Doha to India. So one step help. So from karta to akarta, tough. Therefore, in-between step is karta buddhi to akarta buddhi you have to go. So the help given is karana buddhi. Karana means instrumentality. I am his pet instrument. I am his flute. I am not the doer. I am his flute. When you listen to a beautiful flute music, would you go and congratulate the flute? Oh, flute, how beautiful you did. If you say, nobody goes and congratulates the flute. Whom will you congratulate? The flute player. So if you come to me and Swamiji, what a great speech you have given. Flute. Isn't it? That doesn't mean you should not come and tell me that. Swamiji, today only But I should not feel. Isn't it? That is the main thing. The tragedy, if somebody pulls your leg, it is very easy to know. But when they're praising you and all, very tough to know, isn't it? So we fall, so don't fall for kindness. Better fall for cruelty. Kindness is more dangerous because more ego bumping up. You know, nane dan, that'll come, nan, my. So, I am the flute. I am a pencil. I am a pen in his hand. I am a laptop in his hand. That's modern because that's why I'm an iPhone. In his hand. Isn't it? That way, the instrumentality. Krishna says, nimitta matram bhava. Then what happens is, I am not the doer. He is the one who is pouring his melody through me. That attitude slowly. So, karana buddhi. Then akarta can be. That's called karma yoga. So, from karta to karana to akarta. Step by step, we can reach. We all want karma phala. Gurudev used to tell a very beautiful story. He was sitting in the airport, it seems. When he was sitting in the airport lounge, and because devotees are very good, very influential devotees, they took him to the executive lounge, and he was sitting there. And as he was sitting in the executive lounge, Indra, Agni, Varuna, they came. I mean, Devas, with their celestial costumes and all, they appeared, it seems. And they said, Swamiji, we were thinking of opening free all you want stores. Free. First is free. Then all you want stores. We want to inaugurate. So, Swamiji, we want you to inaugurate it. Swamiji said, I am waiting for my flight. In half an hour, my flight is going to start. So, how can I want to come, but I can't. Swamiji, flight and all we can manage. Till you come back, the flight will not go. Because just is about a half an hour drive to inaugurate. So, inaugurate and we can make the plane wait for half an hour for you. How will you do that? Oh, we will announce, take some technical difficulties. That's what they announce, no? What do they say? Technical difficulties. Means a minister has not yet come. That's the... So, that we can manage, Swamiji. And Swamiji said, oh, if you can manage that technical difficulties, then I can definitely come. So, half an hour they took him to the beautiful area and nicely decorated and all. And scissor was given. Swamiji said, I generally use golden scissors for cutting. And it goes for the mission. The scissor also goes to the mission. But okay, now this is an emergency thing. I don't mind any scissors. So he cuts it. And he enters. When he enters, beautiful stores. But everything is empty. So Swamiji, this is the first day. Therefore, Indian stores, first day, nothing will be there. From maybe later on, they'll be keeping the stuff. Then the person says, Swamiji, you should be the first person to take whatever you want. I said, nothing is there, but what am I? Anything you want, Swamiji, you can ask. I thought, anyway, I have to go. Maybe I can have one apple, so I can eat while going. So he went and said, I want one apple. Immediately the lady ducked under the counter and took out a packet and gave it to Swamiji. The packet? He said, I wanted apple. He said, Swamiji, that is what? Apple seeds. What should I do? You have to first prepare the nice soil, manure it and all, and plant the seeds, nurture it, nourish it, and then when it goes, becomes a big tree, and the fruits come, then you can enjoy. So, unless you put forth your karma, you cannot. We give you seeds free, no charge. But karma, phala you want it, then you have to do all. So, your ability to act is free. Any charge? Even when you are born itself, the child, have you seen the child boxing the air? Kicking the air and boxing the air? That ability to act, how did it come? Free. All you want. But how you use that free gift is your viveka. Isn't it? So, karma parayanaya namaha. Om karma parayanaya namaha.